Welcome to page 4 of the Curator Live video demo series. On this page, you will notice experience blocks that are based on your experience selections from page 3. Let's dive into each block now. The first block is for single photo. Image size. We have this preset to medium, which is all you need for a digital setup. Image mirror. We've preset this to flip all photos after capture. We do this to avoid words appearing backward on a prop or background. Image dimensions. The selection here needs to match the overlay you have added. You can add your own custom dimensions here if needed. Simply leave the selection as Choose Image Dimensions and type in your dimensions below. We suggest using our suggested dimensions when possible. Print experience. You will check this off for any experience you want to allow printing. There is a Do Not Use Event Overlay option for you to override the event overlay if needed. Next, in the middle of the experience form, are the controls for animated overlay and backgrounds if applicable. If you're using static designs for these assets, then you can skip over this section for single photo. The last part of each experience form is always for your selector assets. These are digital props, digital filters, overlays, and digital backgrounds. Simply click on the ones you want to add and you will see your choices below under the selector asset icons. That's it for the first block. Let's move on to Boomerang. You will notice the form is almost exactly like the last. Let's apply the correct image dimension and then move on to the middle section. Here you can adjust the frames and speed if desired. And again, for each experience you can add on some digital upgrades if desired. Now we can move on to the photo layout block. This experience is what most companies use for printing. First, you will want to change the image size to large. This is the suggested setting for any printed experience. The image dimension selection is for the size of the image being taken and not the layout. Make sure to choose the correctly oriented dimensions based on your layout choice. Next, make sure to check the Print Experience option to allow for the Print button. For a photo layout experience, you will also want to override the event overlay. You do this to avoid having the overlay on all your images, since for photo layouts you are uploading a design for this specific experience. Next, you can choose the number of photos for your layout and choose from one of our templates. Or you can select Custom to pop up a modal for you to enter your own custom options. Once the layout is selected, you can then upload your design here to match. And finally, you again have the option to add on any digital upgrades you like. The last block on this page is for the gallery. You will see there are no selection options here. So that's it for page 4. We'll see you in the next video where we will customize the sharing screen settings.